Hey guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at the best tablets for kids. I have made my research, and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I have listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the tablets for kids in the video, just subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. And don't forget to register with your email address on the page linked in the description so we can contact you if you win. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best tablets for kids on the market right now. Coming at number 6, we've got the Samsung Tab A7 Lite. The lightweight Galaxy Tab A7 Lite by Samsung sports a bright 8.7-inch display that's perfect for Netflix binges or reading under the covers at night. It's a great choice for teens who want to install social media apps, play games, or run multiple apps simultaneously. However, its parental controls aren't as thorough as those of Amazon's tablets. On the plus side, parents can install Samsung Kids, an expansive library of educational games, books, and videos that are kid-friendly and easy to monitor and control. It's worth mentioning that the Tab A7 Lite does not include a bumper case, but you can find a compatible one in a wide range of colors on Amazon. The device is equipped with either 32 or 64 gigabytes of storage, perfect for parents who want to fill it up with plenty of videos and apps before a long road trip. And it has dual cameras that'll come in handy for Skyping with grandparents or making YouTube videos. Other highlights of the tablet include up to 4 gigabytes of RAM, expandable memory, and 13 hours of battery life, which together make it a powerful and capable pick for a reasonable price. If you're willing to spend a little bit extra for a larger screen and improved performance, I also recommend Samsung's 10.4-inch Galaxy A7 tablet. Also worth a mention, technically, Samsung has released an even newer big-screen tablet called the Galaxy A8, but the A7 is a better buy since it packs a faster processor. We love the fact that this is an option for teens and tweens that want a tablet, but are perhaps already baked into the Android marketplace. It is incredibly comparable to the iPad Air, and just as sleek and adult as the other tablet, but with a lighter price tag. Coming in at number 5, LeapFrog LeapPad Academy Tablet. What's better than a virtual world designed for kids to grow intellectually? This tablet for kids will adapt to your giftee's learning level by adjusting the skill for the different games and activities offered in the form of apps. Plus, it's equipped with a shatterproof screen for slippery fingers and tantrum throwers. It even has a kickstand for watching videos. The LeapFrog tablet challenges children with problem solving, and it'll help them explore topics in math, coding, spelling, reading, writing, and science. There are plenty of activities for a child to explore, but if they get tired of the pre-installed options, parents will have to pay for an $8 per month subscription for new content or purchase apps individually. Like Amazon's tablets, this one runs a modified but easy-to-navigate version of Android with parental controls and a kid-safe web browser. It's worth mentioning that LeapFrog tablets have slower, less powerful processors than what's found in an iPad or Amazon tablet, so they can occasionally be frustrating to use when it comes to certain apps. Fortunately, the tablet is equipped with 16 gigabytes of expandable storage, dual cameras, Bluetooth, and a 7-hour battery. Coming at number 4, Amazon Fire HD 10 Kids Tablet. If you believe that bigger is better, you won't be disappointed with this tablet from Amazon. It's equipped with a 2-inch larger display and battery that offers 20% better battery life, 2 hours more, than our best budget pick. Besides its large display, it's equipped with a faster processor than that of the Amazon Fire HD 8 Kids, so that it can handle power-intensive apps like Zoom and Microsoft Office Mobile. The tablet's powerful front-facing speakers and its 1920 by 1200 resolution display make for a better video watching experience too. Your recipient can easily watch videos from Netflix, Twitch, and Disney+. The bigger screen will also come in handy for playing games like Minecraft, displaying picture books, and reading comics. Parents of older kids should opt for the slimmer-cased Fire HD 10 Kids Pro, which still has a kickstand case, but is made of harder plastic that's not nearly as big or bouncy. The two tablets are identical with the exception of their cases, which can be removed. Like our best budget pick, the Fire HD 10 Kids features easy-to-use parental controls and includes access to Amazon's Kids Plus service, which packs thousands of kid-friendly apps, games, and books. Even better, it's backed by a 2-year worry-free guarantee. Number 3. Apple iPad Air. Apple's newest iPad Air offers excellent performance in a thin and lightweight design. The newest iteration of the iPad Air offers a substantial upgrade for your little one, increasing the screen size, resolution, and speed. It's great for kids who are going to be using it as a laptop replacement, or for tweens and teens who will be using it for art, programming, or animation. That being said, you really do need an OtterBox or similar heavy-duty cover for the iPad, as it feels a bit more fragile than some others on this list, says our parenting expert, Kat Bowen. The parental controls available through Apple Family are wonderful, but we do wish there was a way to disable private browsing, as teens have definitely found that loophole and exploited it. Our 16-year-old and 13-year-old testers were big fans of all they could accomplish on the device, from playing Dungeons & Dragons on Discord to completing their art portfolio for high school auditions. It is a tablet for kids that just doesn't quit or even slow down, no matter the number of tabs open. Choose from the 11 or 13-inch version in space gray, blue, purple, or starlight, and you can select the storage space your child needs, from 128 gigabytes to 1 terabyte, although 128 gigabytes is probably more than sufficient for most kids. Coming at number 2, Amazon Fire HD 8 Kids Tablet. For those looking to spend under $150 for a quality kids tablet with robust parental controls, consider the Amazon Fire HD 8 Kids. The tablet features a strengthened screen made of aluminosilicate glass and a sturdy kid-proof case to protect it from drops and scratches. It also easily wipes clean, because sticky fingers. The tablet is great for taking on trips as it provides an impressive 13 hours of battery life. Even better, the Fire HD 8 Kids is backed by Amazon's 2-year worry-free warranty, which covers accidental damage. So if your recipient sticks a gummy worm in the charging port or drops the whole thing in the toilet and renders it useless, Amazon will replace it with no questions asked. A feature parents appreciate is being able to change the user experience based on who's using the tablet, whether it be a child, teen, or parent, which is a feature the iPad lacks. Parents are able to set preferences that limit usage, block purchases, and protect against age-inappropriate content. Amazon also gives buyers a 1-year subscription to Amazon Kids Plus, a content library that gives kids access to thousands of age-appropriate videos, books, games, and apps. If you don't want to pay for the feature after a year is up, be sure to cancel it before you're charged. The tablet includes a reversible USB-C charger, is equipped with 32 gigabytes of storage that's expandable to 1 terabyte, and also supports microSD cards to add more room for movies and games. Compared to the even cheaper Amazon Fire 7 Kids tablet, the HD 8 Kids packs a more powerful processor for playing games and running apps. Plus, it features 30% longer battery life and is equipped with a bigger screen that provides better picture quality. With a price tag that's nearly half the cost of the 9th generation iPad, the Fire HD 8 Kids delivers great value. It's durable, easy for kids to handle, and works well at playing basic games or streaming video. Number 1. Apple iPad, 9th generation. Compared to specialized kids tablets like Amazon's Fire HD Kids Edition series or LeapFrog's educational tablets, We think recipients will be happier with an iPad because they have the widest catalog of apps out of any tablet, are equipped with a powerful processor that supports almost any app or game, and have the features that most kids and parents need. The 9th generation iPad may not be the most up-to-date iPad. Apple released the 10th generation iPad in 2022, but it's still plenty fast and comes with 64 gigabytes of storage, which should be enough to download several games and videos to keep young ones entertained. Plus, it's cheaper. The 10th generation is typically priced around $450 and still has the same amount of storage. Apple's App Store packs a vast selection of educational apps, and you can easily download or stream videos from popular video apps like Netflix, Disney+, Hulu, and Sling. The kids' tablet packs a 12-megapixel front camera that records in high definition, and it has a large battery that should last up to 10 hours on a single charge. The biggest complaint that our parenting editor and I share is that the iPad doesn't support multiple user accounts, which is a feature that many Android tablets offer. Regardless, it packs several useful parental controls for limiting screen time, preventing accidental in-app purchases, and accessing unapproved apps. We are also huge fans of Apple Care and the warranty and repair coverage it provides. More than once, our parenting editor has brought her kids' iPads in thinking it was toast, and it was actually repairable. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best tablets for kids. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.